In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're reorganizing your invoices or simply correcting an error, changing an invoice number is a straightforward process once everything is set up properly. Let's walk through it together step by step. Before diving into the actual change, it's crucial to ensure that you've enabled the custom invoice numbering feature in QuickBooks Online. This feature must be turned on first. Otherwise, you won't be able to make any changes to the invoice numbers. If you're unsure about how to enable this setting, I highly recommend checking out our other video dedicated to setting up custom invoice numbering in QuickBooks Online. Now, assuming that you've already enabled this feature, we can start by heading over to the main QuickBooks dashboard. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen, and you will see a vertical panel. Here, you'll want to click on the Sales option. The Sales section is where all of your sales transactions are conveniently organized. Once you're in the Sales section, navigate to the tab labeled Invoices. Clicking on this will open up a comprehensive list of all your current invoices. This view is particularly handy as it shows you everything at a glance, making it easy to find the specific invoice you need to update. Now, take a moment to scroll through your list of invoices and locate the one for which you'd like to change the number. Clicking on the chosen invoice will open up its details. Each invoice detail page provides a clear overview of everything related to that particular transaction, allowing for various edits and updates. Next, you'll want to click the Edit button. This option is usually found near the top of the invoice details page, and it allows you to make changes to any editable fields on the invoice. Once you are in edit mode, direct your attention to the area where the invoice number is displayed. Click on the invoice number text box. This is the space where you can type in the new invoice number that you want to assign to this particular transaction. Once you've carefully entered the new number, make sure it follows any numbering system or format you've decided to use across all your invoices. Consistency here will help avoid confusion in the future. After you've changed the invoice number, remember to click the Save button to ensure all your changes are recorded. It's as simple as that. Your invoice now has a new number, and you're ready to carry on with other tasks. Changing an invoice number in QuickBooks Online can seem a bit daunting initially, but once you enabled the necessary features, it's a straightforward process. With this simple guide, you can correct invoice numbers in no time, keeping your records as accurate as possible.